Hey guys, it's Malaya, and today I'm going to be talking about kitchen safety. If you're interested in culinary arts, it's important that you know how to operate safely in the kitchen. So that's what we'll cover today. The three main topics are going to be kitchen cleanliness, knife safety, and how to handle hot things in the kitchen safely as well. Let's jump right into kitchen cleanliness. The main reason it's important to keep the kitchen clean is to prevent foodborne illnesses. For instance, food poisoning can be caused by eating raw eggs or meat, or eating food contaminated by bacteria, viruses, or parasites. To help keep these nasty guys away, you always want to make sure you clean cooking utensils and surfaces thoroughly with hot soapy water before and after cooking. While cooking, try not to touch anything else besides your food, including your face, pets, or friends. If you do, wash your hands before resuming cooking. Next, let's talk about knife safety. First things first, ask permission from an adult so that they're aware and can be on standby in case of an emergency. It's best to be waist high at your cutting space so that you can clearly see your knife and cutting board. Wear shoes or slippers while you're cutting just in case you drop the knife, and keep your fingertips tucked while cutting. As you can see here, I'm curving my fingers downward so that I don't cut my fingertips. Take your time and focus on what you're cutting. And remember, in an emergency, immediately call for help. And here, as you can see, I have on my brand new Halloween oven mitts because we're going to talk about handling hot items in the kitchen. So remember, always ask permission from an adult before cooking. And here, I'm just showing you guys that you should have on these hot oven mitts before taking things out of the oven or handling hot items. Also, don't forget to turn off the oven or stovetop when you're done cooking. Remember, in case of an emergency, contact an adult immediately. Okay guys, I hope you had fun learning about kitchen safety with me. Remember to keep these tips in your mind when you're participating in a cooking club or if you're just cooking for fun. I'll see you next time. Bye!